I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. We won't talk anymore.